Hey guys, it's Roost Vans again. Now this is Lavond. Lavond is a really simple core build on a mid-roof transit. And you'll notice here, ceiling's a little bit lower than it would normally be on a high roof. Now in this core build, we put in our rail system, our upper paneling, as well as our mid paneling with some inset panels, and our lower paneling and floor. Now you will notice that it looks a little unfinished, and that's by design because this is phase one. Customer is going to be coming back in later and having us put in some lower cabinetry and a bed system. But for now, they wanted to use the van and throw a mattress on the floor until they figured out what they were wanting to do. But we did go ahead and put in the lighting, the vent fan, as well as our Goal Zero system, power panel, and switch panel kit. Now you'll notice this is kind of odd too. We call this a tombstone, and this is just a temporary location to help support this switch panel with the heater that we installed, so that when they put a lower kitchen cabinet in place here, then we'll be able to pull that switch panel to the front of the kitchen cabinet, as well as put the Goal Zero into that kitchen cabinet. Check us out at roostfans.com.